Chaats are something that I enjoy very much, and today's recipe is a nice and simple chaat that I'm going to show you guys. It's a Chana Chaat. This is a nice protein-based snack that you can enjoy anytime during the day. So I have about 1 cup of chickpeas that's soaked overnight. First I'm going to pressure cook the chickpeas. Pour enough water. Add a pinch of salt. Pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. The chickpeas are cooked beautifully. Cool the chickpeas, and I'm going to make a quick mint and coriander chutney for the chaat. For this I'm taking 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger, a mix of coriander and mint leaves. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Add a little salt. Just going to add a little water. The mint coriander chutney is done. Now I'm going to make the chaat. First ingredient would be the cooked chickpeas. And make sure that the chickpeas are cooked perfectly. Now if you can see, it's very soft and tender. To this add a few chopped onions. So you can see the onions are very finely chopped. So I've taken 1 tomato that's deseeded and chop it fine. I've added half of that. Next I've taken half cucumber that's deseeded and finely chopped. 1 small carrot grated. Next I'm going to season the chaat. I've taken half teaspoon of Kala Namak. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Half teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. So instead of the green chilies, I'm going to use the spicy mint and coriander chutney that I've just made it fresh. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tamarind and date chutney. So now mix everything together. So if you want more onions or more tomatoes or any other vegetable, you can add extra if you like. The Channa Chaat is done. Garnish it with some fresh chopped coriander leaves and also some save. So hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's a healthier option for a snack, and you can also try this recipe using the black chickpeas. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.